When we first arrived in Tasmania at the start of the year, bioluminescence was at the top of our list of unique experience to see in the state. Bioluminescence is the production of emission of light by a living organism. It flashes when distributed by waves or currents. Where to see it? A lot of people have never seen this, even though they have lived or traveled to Tasmania. It is easily seen in multiple places in Tasmania almost regularly in warmer months, mainly near Hobart. I will list some of the places in the description near Hobart and East Coast Tasmania where you can see bioluminescence. Is it visible to naked eye? Of course it is. You can see neon blue sparkles at night. There are places where bioluminescence is present but not visible as there is no movement in the water. But once you splash water, you will see the bright glow. You can see them at daytime as natural pink or red color in the water. It is often called red tide. If you happen to see red tide in the daylight, make sure to check them out at night. Is there a specific season in the year? This is more commonly seen in warmer months, summer and autumn, but it can be seen in winter months as well. The temperature may be less optimal in winter, but still there is a possibility. How do you find the exact spot? Well, I highly recommend joining the Facebook group Bioluminescence for all Tasmanian locations. I will add the link to the description below. I found this page is very helpful on spotting bio in Tasmania. Members on this group post photos and locations as they see it, so it is very convenient for anyone else to chase them. Can you capture them via phone? Yes, if you have a camera that would be better, but a phone camera or GoPro would be able to easily capture them too. You don't need long exposure shots to capture them. Even turning off night mode in phone camera also can help. This amazing blue sea sparkle is something to be appreciated. I wish you can capture bioluminescence at least once in Tasmania or any other place in the world while you travel.